10 coolest new survival gear and gadgets on Amazon. Opinel No 8-folding knife. The Opinel No 8-folding knife is a survival classic known for its simplicity and reliability. With a stainless steel blade and a sturdy wooden handle, this knife offers precision and durability in a lightweight design. The unique safety ring locks the blade securely in place when open, so you don't have to worry about it accidentally folding while in use. Whether you're slicing through rope, cutting branches for shelter, or preparing food, this knife is incredibly versatile. Sleek and ergonomic design makes it a great everyday carry, especially when you want a blade that's easy to pack without sacrificing functionality. It's simple, effective, and trustworthy. Everything you need in a survival knife. Goal Zero Nomad 7 solar panel. The Goal Zero Nomad 7 solar panel is an essential piece of gear for any outdoor adventure. With its lightweight, foldable design, this solar panel allows you to charge your electronics like a phone or GPS using the power of the sun. It's especially useful in remote locations where access to electricity is limited or non-existent. Despite its compact size, it's surprisingly powerful and can charge most devices at a steady rate. It's also built to withstand harsh weather conditions, meaning it's tough enough to keep working when the rain or dust hits. Imagine never having to worry about your phone or GPS running out of power while you're off the grid. This panel gives you that peace of mind. Jetboil Minimo cooking system. If you've ever tried to cook in the wilderness, you know that having the right stove is key to making your meals efficient and enjoyable. The Jetboil Minimo cooking system is a compact, high-performance stove that boils water in under 2 minutes. It's perfect for quick meals like freeze-dried food or a hot cup of coffee on a cold morning. The system features adjustable simmer control, which is rare in portable stoves, allowing you to cook with precision instead of just boiling everything to a crisp. Minimo's compact design makes it easy to store, yet it can handle a variety of outdoor cooking needs. If you're looking for something that saves time, fuel, and space, this cooking system is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. Black Diamond Spot 400 Headlamp. When you find yourself in the wilderness after dark, a reliable light source can make all the difference. The Black Diamond Spot 400 headlamp delivers impressive brightness, offering 400 lumens of power, enough to illuminate the darkest trails or campsites. Designed with multiple modes, including red light for preserving night vision, so you can adjust based on your needs. The headlamp is lightweight, water-resistant, and offers a comfortable fit, ensuring that you can wear it for hours without discomfort. Its long battery life means you won't have to worry about running out of power in the middle of an important task. Whether you're navigating at night or just need a hands-free light source, the Black Diamond Spot 400 is an essential tool for your survival kit. Fel Raven Greenland Wax. For any survivalist or adventurer, keeping your gear waterproof and durable is crucial. Fel Raven Greenland Wax is a simple yet effective product that enhances the water resistance of your clothing and gear. This wax is designed to be applied to fabric, offering extra protection from rain and snow, while also preserving the fabric's breathability. It works on various types of materials, including the iconic G1000 fabric, which is used in many Fel Raven products. Applying Greenland Wax is easy, and the result is gear that can withstand harsh weather conditions without compromising comfort. If you're heading into unpredictable environments, a little wax can go a long way in extending the lifespan of your outdoor gear. Duter Air Contact Light Backpack. When you're preparing for a long trek into the wilderness, a reliable backpack is critical. The Duter Air Contact Light Backpack is a well-balanced, lightweight option that offers ample storage without being too bulky. It's designed with comfort in mind, featuring an adjustable back system and padded shoulder straps that make carrying heavy loads a breeze. The Air Contact Light also comes with multiple compartments, allowing you to organize your gear and access it easily while on the move. Plus, its rugged materials are designed to hold up in tough outdoor conditions, ensuring your gear stays secure no matter how rough the terrain gets. If you're planning an extended outdoor trip, this backpack is built to handle the challenge. Gerber River Shorty Knife. For water-based activities or situations, The Gerber River Shorty knife is the ideal tool. Designed for aquatic environments, this knife features a compact, corrosion-resistant blade that's perfect for cutting through tough materials like fishing line or rope. The ergonomic handle ensures a secure grip, even when wet, and its blunt tip design reduces the risk of accidental injury. The River Shorty is lightweight and can be easily attached to your gear or belt, making it accessible in critical situations. Whether you're kayaking, fishing, or simply spending time near water, this knife offers the reliability and convenience needed to get the job done without worrying about rust or poor performance in wet conditions. Thermacel MR300 Mosquito Repeller. Mosquitoes can turn an otherwise pleasant outdoor experience into a nightmare. That's where the Thermacel MR300 Mosquito Repeller comes in. This portable device uses a heat-activated repellent mat to keep mosquitoes at bay for up to 12 hours on a single charge. It's perfect for camping, hiking, or any outdoor activity where insects are a major concern. The MR300 is quiet and odorless, meaning it won't disrupt your environment or your peace of mind. Plus, it's compact and easy to carry, ensuring that you can protect yourself from those pesky bugs wherever you go. No more slapping at mosquitoes or dealing with the constant buzz. This repeller is an absolute game changer for outdoor comfort. Nemo Equipment Puffin Blanket. When the temperatures drop, staying warm and cozy can be a challenge unless you have the Nemo Equipment Puffin Blanket. This insulated blanket is lightweight, highly compressible, and designed for both comfort and warmth in any outdoor environment. The Puffin blanket uses synthetic insulation to trap heat, making it a reliable option even in damp conditions. Whether you're wrapping up by the campfire, sleeping in your tent, or just lounging under the stars, this blanket offers a level of comfort that's usually reserved for indoor use. Its versatility makes it perfect for chilly evenings or as an extra layer in your sleeping system. If warmth, comfort, and portability are your priorities, the Puffin blanket is an absolute must-have. Bongo Lumen 100 Lantern. A reliable light source is indispensable when you're camping, and the Bongo Lumen 100 Lantern fits that role perfectly. This compact yet powerful lantern provides 100 lumens of light, enough to illuminate your entire campsite or tent. It offers multiple brightness settings, from a soft glow for relaxing evenings to full power for navigating in the dark. The Bongo Lumen 100 is powered by batteries, ensuring that you're not reliant on a power source, and its rugged design can handle the bumps and bruises that come with outdoor use. If you're looking for a versatile, long-listed lantern to brighten your outdoor adventures, this is a solid choice that won't let you down. If you're gearing up for your next outdoor adventure, make sure you're equipped with the right gear to handle any situation. Which of these gadgets would you take with you? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow adventurers. Stay safe, stay prepared, and we'll see you in the next video.